go, guys. Whoa! There's a thunderstorm. Oh! Oh, there's lightning like mad! The thunderstorm's hitting. Whoa! Oh my god! The lightning! What is that? Oh my god! What? Whoa! Whoa, guys! What? 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 How many lightning strikes are we getting? Oh, there's another one! How many? How many? What the? How many lightning strikes are we getting, guys? Bruh! There's another one! And another one! Guys, lightning strikes are literally, it's like 5 lightning strikes a second. Bruh! What the? There's another one! Oh my god! There's another one! How many lightning strikes are we gonna get, guys? And there's the rumble. Isn't that another? That's another one. Oh my god, this is like the worst thunderstorm ever. And there's another one. Oh my god. What the? What the? And there's another one. Another one. Another one! Another one! There's like 5 lightning strikes a second. And another one. And another one. And there's rumble. And another one. Oh my god. Listen to that thunder, guys. Listen to the rumble. We're here. Thunderstorm. And there's another one. How many lightning strikes are we getting, guys? Bruh. Just man, I'm getting like loads of lightning notifications. Bruh. Oh, that was a bright one. Oh my goodness. That was so bright. And there is thunder. And another one. And another one. Oh my god. Oh. 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 What is this? What? This is a crazy thunderstorm. Oh my god. Oh. And there's another one. Just literally. Whoa. Oh my! Oh. Here we go, guys. The thunderstorm's getting super bad now. Like, oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on? This is like the worst storm. Oh my god! Oh, what? Look at all this rain! Oh! Oh, there's rain, there's a thunder, there's lightning. Look at this! Oh! It's like so much heavy rain! Oh! Look at it! And there's another one. Holy moly! Holy moly! We're about to get in this is it! We're getting hit. Oh! We're in the thunderstorm. What's it, guys? We're currently in the thunderstorm. We're here. Lightning is here. Oh my god. We're getting like 5 lightning strikes. Oh! Bro, look. Holy, there's another one. The road is going to get flooded. It's like, what? Oh, there's another one. How many? Oh! I'm getting hit by rain now. Oh, there's another flash. Oh, here we go. This is the worst of it all. It's coming. Oh, the rain just stopped. Here we go. Here we go. How many are we going to get? There's another one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. The rain hitting is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, look at all this wind. Oh. It's like a hurricane. Well, guys, this is out the back. Out in the thunderstorm. Bro. What? Oh! Oh! Guys. Oh! Oh, so this is so bad. This is so bad. Oh my god. There's another one. This rain is so... Oh! God. It's getting really bad now. We're gonna get struck. Probably gonna get struck. This is mad. Listen to that. There's another one. Another one. And another one. And another one. Another. Oh my God. Oh! This is the worst thunderstorm ever. Hold on a second, guys. Oh my God! Careful. Sorry. It's okay. Oh, we're gonna get. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's right here. It's all here. We're in the middle of the thunderstorm, guys. Do you hear that?
Oh, no.
Oh my God! Oh! God! Oh! I got that on camera. Oh God, guys! We're getting the lightning's right in front of us. We're in the zone, guys. We're in the zone. Guys, we're reporting live from the thunderstorm. We're currently getting lightning in front of us. The rain is coming down crazy. We're getting blown. Oh, there was one. Oh my God! Holy moly! Oh, I don't know what to say. Okay, guys, we've got to be careful. Wow! Oh, I missed that behind the house. Right, God, guys, right. Oh my God, that was loud. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was loud. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy moly. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the worst thunderstorm ever, guys. Whoa! Oh! Oh! How many lightning? Oh! What? What the? Oh! I'm getting lightning on camera like mad! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh, listen to that! Oh! Holy! Oh! Oh! God, guys, I'm gonna be quiet. Oh my God! Do you hear that? This is the worst thunderstorm ever! Guys, we're in the moment. We're in the zone. Here's the thunder. Here's the lightning. You get what you asked. This is like my best video yet, guys. Please like and subscribe. Because I'm standing in this. We could be getting struck, and I don't know. We're standing in the lightning. Oh! Gosh, guys. We're standing in the zone. It's literally, we get like hundreds of lightning strikes a second now. It's like more. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. And there's another one. How many flashes are we going to get? Oh, gosh. I'm a bit worried. I'm shaking. Oh my God, guys. I deliver. Please subscribe, like. This is mad. I'm literally in the middle of this now. Like, what more could you ask for? Oh, there's more. There's more. There's more. Guys, this lightning is mad. Holy moly! Holy moly! Oh. Guys, listen to that lightning and thunder. I just got. Oh! I can't believe I'm getting this on camera though. Oh! It's lighting. Guys, this is mad. Bruh. Guys. Oh! Right. I don't know what to do now. There's so much lightning everywhere. Oh, Nanny. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Guys, okay, I'm gonna prop you like that. Probably best way. That's best way. Yeah. Got a lightning strike on camera. I got a lightning strike. How many are we going to get, guys? Please like and subscribe. This is going to be so hard to put together. Oh! Like, bruh. Like, I'm in the middle of it. Like, whoa. Like, whoa. Oh my god. Holy gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting, like, notifications, guys. Whoa. Oh, guys. Here we are. Oh. This is mad. Guys, we're in the zone. Oh, this is it. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm of the year, 100% in October. Bruh, it's mad. Oh, I'm getting lightning strikes. Oh, I better stand up. I'm going to stand back just for a minute. Just in case. Oh. Oh. Holy! Oh my god! What?